Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to refresh this 3-day-old wash and go. Now I know it looks way longer than 3 days, but this is the result from me being outside all weekend and just being in the Houston humidity. This is what it does to your hair. It looks crazy. If you see me looking this way, I am looking at my mirror. I am in the bathroom. This is where I'm trying to film, and the angle is like this because there literally was no other way that I could set up my tripod because it's so huge and my ring light. So it had to be set up like this, and this was the only angle to where you're gonna see me do my hair. So first thing I'm gonna use to refresh this is water, and this is just a little mister. So let me see if you can see it. You see that? Yeah, it's just gonna mist my hair. I have this in my hair right now, the Eco Styler olive oil. I don't know why people are hating on Eco Styler gel now. Not sure what happened, but I use it because it works. I'm going to moisturize with the Mielle Organics. Can you see that? You probably can't see it. The Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. I really do like this stuff. I actually need another one. And then after my hair is dried, I'm gonna go in with the Melanin Hair Care multi-use pure oil blend. Really love this stuff too. This is my second bottle. But yeah, y'all, so as you can see, as my hair gets bigger, then you can really see the layers. I actually do like my hair like this because I get a lot of volume. But today is my off day, and I just thought, let me just go ahead and do my hair. If I did have to work today, I would have left my hair just like this for maybe another day or even two. But as you can see, like, look at this. It's not even really defined anymore. Excuse me. It's just frizz, even over here. Like, look at that. It's just a bunch of frizz and a couple curls. Like a couple curls, and that's it. So we are going to get rid of that. Okay, so I am just going to do my hair.
Oh, come on. Oh, yeah. Well, I tried to tell you so, but I guess you didn't know. Like I said, the story goes, baby, now I got the flow. Cause I know it from the start. Baby, when you broke my heart, that I had to come again and show you that I mean. All those times I said that I love you. Yes, I tried. Yes, I tried. Even though you know I die for you. Yes, I cried. Yes, I cried. Oh my God. Here I am. Running thanks to take my spine, letting all the people know that I'm back to run the show. Cause what they did to do was wrong. All the nasty things you done. So baby, listen carefully while I sing my comeback song. She said she'd never turn on me. Come on, oh my God.
it's giving very much heat damage. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna show y'all the back. Hold on. Look at these long pieces that are back here. Like, just look at that. Okay? It's giving that I did not just freshly do. Oh, okay, let me not lie. Okay, I know what the problem is. Okay, my hair was already done, and then instead of cleansing my hair and conditioning it and deep conditioning and starting off on freshly washed hair, I went back in and I just refreshed my hair that already had product on it, and it had quite a bit of product on it. So because I went in and I already had the Eco Styler gel on my hair, and then I went back in and just wet my hair and put on more Eco Styler gel and conditioner, my hair didn't curl back up like it's supposed to. This is not what my curl pattern looks like. It's not. I'm gonna include a video somewhere up here at the top so you can see what my hair looks like when it is freshly done, because this is not it. I don't know what this is. I've never even seen my curls look like this. Like I said, it's giving very much heat damage. Like, what are these long pieces? Like, what is that? Look at that. It's just sticking out. Look at that right there, y'all. Oh my gosh. So it is actually the next day now, and my hair looked just like this after I dried it yesterday. But did I feel like doing it? No. So did I do it? No, I did not. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to hop in the shower because I have to work today. So I am going to hop in the shower. I am going to cleanse my hair with the Trader Joe's shampoo, and then I am going to condition with the Trader Joe's conditioner. And oh my gosh, I pulled it and now look, oh my gosh. And then I'm going to use the same products that I showed y'all yesterday. This for the leave-in conditioner, this for the gel, and I'm going to redo my hair. And it's not going to look like this because it's going to be freshly washed hair. So yeah, this is what we got. Okay, this is what we got to work with. I can't believe my hair came out like this. Like, look, y'all, like this whole little section right here. Honestly, where's the curl? Where's the curl? Where is it? Can you find a curl? Because I can't. Yeah, I'm over it. So I'm gonna get in the shower, wash it, and then honestly, y'all saw me in the first clip style my hair. I literally do the same thing, section it, put the conditioner in there, and then put the gel in. I do the same thing when I'm working on freshly washed hair. So I'm not going to show that part again. I'm just going to magically show back on camera with my hair looking beautiful, because it's going to be looking beautiful.
Oh, come on. Oh, yeah. Well, I tried to tell you so. Yes, I did. But I guess you didn't know. As I said, the story goes. Baby, now I got the flow. Cause I know it from the start. Baby, when you broke my heart, that I had to come again and show you that I win. You lied to me. All those times I said that I